Hey y'all, tonight in my kitchen, I'm making Mama's meatloaf. This is a great recipe for meatloaf. You're gonna need to have your oven at 350. Okay, we're gonna start with 2 pounds of ground beef. Two pounds of ground beef. You can use ground turkey if you prefer, or ground chicken, or ground venison. I didn't think about that. Cookie, this is not for you, sister girl. You can be in here while we make it, though. Yep. Making meatloaf for the fam tonight. Okay, to this, we're gonna add 2 eggs. We're gonna add 1 cup of ketchup, and I'm gonna eyeball mine. Okay, we're also gonna add 1 teaspoon of basil. Is that right? 1½ teaspoon of basil. 1 teaspoon, ½ teaspoon of thyme. 2 teaspoons of paprika. Let's see how much garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, seriously, come on. And again, I'm eyeballing mine. One teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Cook, what are you doing? Okay, now we're going to give this also a sleeve of crackers. I'm going to do a whole sleeve. This makes 2 meatloaves. You can use breadcrumbs if you prefer. Okay, let me get my pans ready. I'm going to spray both of them with some cooking spray. These are going to bake for 45 minutes on 350. Cookie, what are you after? Come here. I don't know what she's after. You're gonna have to wait a minute. I got meatloaf all over my hands. This is a great recipe too to make 2 and then freeze 1 and have it on one of those nights that you're in a hurry. Or bake both of them and have some for leftover meatloaf sandwiches. Totally up to you. Okay, once you've got it all mixed up, you're going to make 2 loaves. So divide it in two. Hey, cool it. Okay, spread them out evenly in your loaf pan, or you can put them on a rack on a cookie sheet and cook them like that. Let me give my hands a wash so I can get them in the oven. Okay. Meatloaf, y'all, going into the oven. Meatloaf. Set my timer for 45 minutes, and they will be ready for dinner. Thanks for watching Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping Real. Give the Mama's Meatloaf a try. You won't be sorry. Your family will love it. Have a wonderful day. Like, share, and comment. See ya.